It's there! The first image by JWST is there! And it kinda sucks. Just kidding. Hi all, I was obviously kidding during the introduction. The first image from JWST is there, and it is, of course, thrilling. Before having a look, I would like to give you a small summary of what happened in the last 1.5 months. I didn't cover it in any video. You've seen it 1,000 times from all possible video bloggers or possible NASA footage. If you haven't, here is a small summary. JWST traveled after launch for 1.5 million kilometers to the Earth-Sun Lagrangian point L2. And during this very long journey, the telescope had to be unfolded from the bundle of gold mylar cables, rods that it was at launch to its nice, very big, tennis court size iconic form. It is a beautiful spaceship now. It took 14 days to deploy all the various pieces, and this involved 178 release mechanisms. It's unbelievable. NASA did an incredible, really, job about this. After the deployments, the 18 segments of the primary mirror needed to be released from the stowed position where they were for launch. This implied a movement of 12.5 millimeters from this position forward, and it took around another 10 days. Finally, after this, the spacecraft entered its orbit around the L2 Lagrangian point of the Sun-Earth system, all right? Nevertheless, the telescope is not ready for observations yet. The 18 segments of the mirror needs to be aligned such that they form a single big mirror. To do this, JWST is observing the star HD 84406, it's just its name, and it's observing it again and again and again. Each time the mirror have a small movement, until then they will form a very sharp single image of this star. Let's take a look of what this star is and where it is. Okay. Here what you see is the Ursa Major constellation, so this is the Big Dipper. The circle marked there is our star HD 84406. We center on it, the sky will rotate. We can then toggle the grid of coordinates, and you see where the polar star, the Polaris, is the Alpha Ursa Minor, okay? Just in the center of the coordinate grids. If we then move towards the north, so towards the Polaris, by 6.5 degrees in the sky, we are going to find something very beautiful, which are a couple of galaxies, M81 and M82. M82 is a prototype starburst galaxy, so it's producing stars like crazy. So I am wondering, maybe this is a hint of what the first light of the JWST will be. I don't know. I hope. M82 is one of my favorite objects in the sky. So now finally the first image from JWST. There we go. Wow, look at this. This is the mosaic they took around the star, and these 18 dots are the 18 images of the star as seen by the 18 segments of the primary mirror. And this is really thrilling for an astronomer. I know, I mean, it's not what you expect the star to look like. We need a lot of patience, guys. We need patience. They will take something like 3 months to align all the segments, and then there will be a calibration phase before we can see finally the science-grade images. It will take a long time. I hope maybe the first light, the first nice image of M82, hopefully will come earlier than that. I don't know. Final gem of today, the NIRCAM instrument, it is the one who observed this star, took a selfie of the JWST primary mirror. They have a special pupil and lens to put in front of the instrument and can take a photo, basically, of the mirror. You see in this image that one of the various segments is white. This is the one that is basically seeing the light from the star and directing it directly in the pupil. So basically is the one that is right now aligned at best, as far as I understand. All right, thank you NASA for all these nice videos that we can share and show to our friends. And I hope you love the first image of JWST as much as I do. I also hope that soon I will be able to see also the other images and maybe have access to the archive that right now is embargoed, and be able to play a bit with the first images of JWST, even if they are just of the HD 84406 star. Guys, have fun and see you soon.